Getting behind the wheel of a new car often means more than just style and performance. It's also about how efficiently and quietly it runs. But here's where it gets controversial. Not all tires are created equal when it comes to sustainability, which is becoming an increasingly important factor for drivers and manufacturers alike. Today, we're diving into how the latest collaboration between Continental Tires and Renault car models is set to change that landscape, specifically through the launch of the new Renault Clio equipped with Continental's innovative tire technology. If you're curious about the role of tires in eco-friendly driving or want to understand what makes the EcoContact7 stand out, keep reading. We'll explore how this tire not only meets high standards for fuel economy, but also helps reduce noise pollution, a win-win for both drivers and communities. Continental's commitment to sustainability. At the heart of this development is Continental's broader dedication to sustainable mobility. You can learn more about their initiatives and solutions by visiting their sustainability contact page, https://www.continental.com/and/general/sustainability-contact-form, or explore their innovative product offerings through their overview page, https://www.continental.com/and/products-and-innovation, and specific categories like tires and Conti Tech. Announcing a major breakthrough, the EcoContact7 for Renault Clio. In a significant announcement made on December 4, 2025, Continental revealed that their EcoContact7 tires would be launching as original equipment on Renault's latest Clio model, one of the most popular compact cars worldwide. These tires are available in 16-inch and 18-inch variants and have already received top marks on the EU tire label for both fuel efficiency and low rolling noise, highlighting their eco-friendly performance. What makes EcoContact7 so special? Thanks to an advanced rubber compound combined with smart energy casing technology, these tires significantly cut down on internal friction. The innovative carcass, liner, and sidewall materials work together to minimize resistance, which means the car requires less energy to move forward, ultimately improving fuel economy. Adding to this, the tire's aerodynamically optimized sidewall design, inspired by the dimpled surface of golf balls, reduces air turbulence behind the tire. This essentially makes the tire more aerodynamic, and as a result, the vehicle needs less energy to maintain motion, supporting sustainability efforts. Reducing noise pollution, a quiet ride for everyone. But the EcoContact7 isn't just about fuel savings. Continental engineers also prioritized a peaceful driving experience by developing a silent pattern tread design. Adjustments in tread spacing and block angles help suppress the usual noise generated at lower speeds, which is especially common in city driving. This thoughtful design choice makes urban commutes more comfortable for drivers, pedestrians, and residents living nearby. The approved sizes and markets. The new tire line has gained approval for various markets, fitting the Renault Clio in these specific size options. EcoContact7, 195/60 or 1693 HXL-FR. EcoContact7, 205/45 or 1890 HXL-FR. This means that in many countries, drivers can now benefit from tires that are not only high-performing, but also aligned with sustainability goals, contributing to a greener and quieter environment. The bottom line. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, it's clear that advancements in tire technology can have a big impact, from reducing fuel consumption to making city streets more peaceful. The collaboration between Continental and Renault showcases how innovation in every component, even tires, plays a crucial role in shaping sustainable mobility. What do you think? Is tire technology the next big step toward truly eco-friendly driving? Or are there other factors that should take precedence? Share your thoughts in the comments. We're eager to hear your perspectives and challenge the status quo.